Hello everyone. Hello my gems. Oh wow, I forgot to make my bed. Don't come for me, okay? It's been a rough day. It has. I have Boxycharm versus Boxycharm today. You guys know that Ipsy has taken over Boxycharm, but we still have the Boxycharm name. And it comes in a new Ipsy kind of different kind of box and all that fun stuff. But we're going to compare these boxes today. And if I still have my choices, I think I screenshotted them. I'm going to put them on the screen for you. And we're going to go over this and figure out, you know, what's what. Now, in the past, when I've done different profiles, it's worked. And I have the same profiles. One has me at my real age and one has me about 20 years younger, which is where I'd like to be. But yes, so it's worked and I've gotten different products. Although I did have one or two same choices. You guys know that Ipsy lets you choose 3 of your items based upon what they have. And sometimes the choices are great, sometimes they're not. But I do have to tell you, I have been pretty impressed with Ipsy lately. You guys know that the Fez palette came broken and they sent me a replacement and they sent me the whole retro palette. And I was like, holy crap. So I'm probably pretty sure they've done that to everyone, which is like, that's a great thing. Like, I'm super excited about that. Anyhow, I want to unbox these with you guys today, so let's get started. Now, Boxycharm is that $28 plus that $1.99 handling fee, and then you have your taxes. And you get 5 full-size items. All right. Now, this kind of puzzled me. The Estate Heat Activated Sponges. What is this thing supposed to do? Like, heat activated? We usually damp our beauty blenders. Let's see what Ipsy has to say about it. If I can get it to load. It says I picked this too. Then again, it didn't have a whole lot to choose from because everything seems to be the same products we've been getting for years. All right, yeah. Let's just see if there's anything. Wet with warm water to see the color change and a smooth finish. It changes colors? Like, is that necessary in a beauty blender? Is it? $18 value? Okay. Okay. Let's see what the next item is. All right, Saturday Skin. And what one? Yeah. Rub-a-Dub Refining Gel Peel. Okay, so rub in circular motions for 1 minute. Rinse and clean with warm water. All right. Let's move on. We have by Purlisse the Dragon Fruit Niacinamide Exfoliator. I believe I chose this as well. Then by Ahava, we have the 24 karat gold mineral mud mask. So I've got 2 masks basically, but I think these were the products that I didn't have because there were so many that were repeats that I mean, you guys know you love to get subscription boxes, but by the time you use all the products that you get, you know, they expire. And then if you're getting the same products, you know how it goes. All right, so this here is the Natasha Denona Fez palette, if I can get it out here. And supposedly all of them are broken, or at least have that one shadow. See, I had 2 that were broken. In this one, in my PR box, this one just has that brown on the end. That's a little loose. Yeah. That's kind of coming out, but this is a super warm palette. I do like getting these. They usually have like a value of $48. I'll probably wind up doing a giveaway or something with that palette because it's definitely not going to work for me. So let's recap the Natasha Denona Fez palette. Then we have the Purlisse Exfoliator. Then we have the Saturday Night Skin. Oh wait, yeah, this one's a mask, gel mask, something. Then Ahava 24 karat gold mineral mud mask, and then we have these. The sponges by Estate that are heat activated, which is extremely weird. Have any of you used those? Let me know. I will put the total value of this box on the screen, and let's move into our second paid box. Okay, here we go. All right. So here we are again with the sponges. Then we have by, what is this? Sweet Treat. This here, which is a gloss. I think I tried this. Yeah, it's pretty. Oh, it smells good. Kind of like candy. Okay, then moving on, we have, what is this? Unisexy Setting Spray. Unisexy. Okay. Let's pull it out. Ooh, it's probably got like little glitter thingies or something. Let's just see. Let's try to spray it on my hand. There's something in there. Weird. Actually, no. Okay. All right. So we got a setting spray. Those are good, usually. Next, again, the Saturday Skin. This is the Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. I guess it's a mask, right? I think that's what I said before. I think so. So we have that. And then the last product is by First Aid Beauty. This is the Oil Control Moisturizer. This actually, I like First Aid Beauty's stuff. Let's see, can I get it open or is it taped? It is taped. All right. I'm trying to rip the box. I think we're just gonna leave it. Here it is. Let's just recap, okay? First Aid Beauty Oil Control Moisturizer, the Setting Spray, the Sweet Treat Lip Gloss, the Saturday Skin, and the Estate Sponges. All right, I may do a try-on video with some of these products. I do want to know what you guys think. I was super surprised to get that replacement palette, the retro. I already have the retro palette, but to get it's either $65, $69, or $75 palette in place of a $48 palette with more shadows, I was truly happy about that. But I do want to know about your guys' experiences. I know some of you said that you're getting broken products all the time. Sometimes you're not even getting your monthly box. That is unacceptable. I do not think that should happen at all. I think with good business practices, if you start to notice that there is more than usual products being broken, or if you're not customers aren't getting their products, you would think that they would either hire more people or they would somehow, have a meeting and fix this issue. Being that they are such a large company, I would predict there's going to be problems from time to time, But again, I still have Ipsy because I can get high-end brand products in their subscription box, as to where you can't always get them with other ones. Even though they may be cheaper, cheaper boxes elsewhere, for the money. And I'm really cautious about kind of what I put on my skin, what I put on my eyes nowadays. I will use some cheaper products, but for the most part, I would rather have a good product, even if it's just one eyeshadow palette that I use all the time. I'm just getting to the point where I have so much stuff, it's time to declutter. Okay guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do appreciate you guys so much. If you want to leave me a comment down below, that would be excellent. And I cannot wait to see you guys in another video. Bye.